Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a lamp is 15.4 meter above the ground. A boy 88 centimeter tall walks away from the base of this post at the speed of 1.5 meter per second. Find the length of a shadow of the boy after 10 seconds. Let the boy of a height be at point D. Suppose this is boy of a height 88 centimeter. Convert this into meter. That is 0.88. And it is in meter. Then suppose this is, then suppose this is EC, a lamp above the ground, 15.4 meter. Let this as B. So the AD will be 1.5 meter per second. Let the boy of height be at point D on the ground from the lamp post after 10 seconds. Therefore, AD is, we have given it as 1.5 meter per second, and after 10 seconds that is 1.5 meter per second into 10, that is 15 meter. Suppose the length of shadow of the boy be X meter when he is at the position D, is at the position D. Therefore, BD will be X meter. Okay, X meter. Now in triangle BDE, suppose this is E. Now in triangle BDE and triangle BAC, in triangle BDE and triangle BAC, angle BDE equals to angle BAC, as both are 90 degree, and angle DBE equals to angle ABC, because this is common angle. Thus, triangle BDE is similar to triangle BAC. This is by AAS criteria. Therefore, corresponding ratio of their corresponding sides is equal. D by AC equals to BD by AB. Corresponding sides are proportional. Thus 0.88 divided by 15.4 equals to x divided by 15 plus x. So here 0.88 into 15 plus x equals to 15.4 into x. So after solving this, we get 1320 plus 88x equals to 1540x, that is minus 1452x equals to 1320. So x will be 10 by 11, that is 0.9090. So rounding nearest to hundreds, we get 0.91 meter. Hence length of the shadow of the boy be 0.91 meter. That is our correct option is option B, which is 0.91 meter.